Good morning, guys. It's mid-afternoon. We're down in across the border into Tijuana, Mexico at my favorite mountain pass. I was up late working on this thing. I'm not feeling that great. Tomorrow I go to the cancer center for a real appointment, so got to be careful today. Last thing Dale Walker wants to do is fall off a motorcycle. Tires aren't scrubbed in. I rode it once, but it was basically cold with some snow even. So we just go ride it, and I rode it for a short test run yesterday, and it seemed to run really nice, smooth, responsive. But I'll run it through its paces a little bit, but I'm going to take it easy today, okay? I cannot screw up. So let's get riding, let's have a good time. I'll show you up to the summit. I probably go up and down a couple times, check the road, and then whatever. We'll do it in a couple different phases. Hey guys, well that's phase one to the summit here. That was a nice little ride. I was taking any chances. And I get comments about over the double yellow. Trust me, any double yellow I'm going over, you might not be able to tell, but I can see way ahead. Okay? Anyway, thing's great. David, you did a good job. Fueling's beautiful, on-off throttle, no hesitation. Dip into it just right. I didn't have to rev the hell out of it. It's got plenty of torque, comes off the corner, sounds great. I don't know how it sounds to you. This is the first time I had the mic under the seat in this one. And speaking of seats, this is my new whole shot 24-25 MT-09 Corbin seat. It's about 3/4 of an inch higher in the very front to keep you off the tank. And I tapered, they normally make it with a bucket, you know, kind of for more touring. I took the bucket out of it, kind of sloped it off the sides like a stock seat on purpose so you could easily slide off. It's perfect. I called Mike, I'm gonna send him the stock rear and we're just gonna match this tail with the same upholstery. So anyway, next is going part two, be just over the summit right here and down the other side. There is a couple spots because the deer are migrating now. You got to be really careful. So anyway, let's get on with the rest of the ride. Hope you enjoyed the little first blip. Let's go.